Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw your crypto from Bybit to PayPal. But I will tell you that there's no direct way to send your crypto to your PayPal account. That's why we need to find some exchangers to do this transaction. So here is the website, which is called bestchange.com, where we can find some good exchangers. So, for example, we are sending USDT from Bybit to PayPal, and we need to choose the chain first. So, first of all, we need to choose the USDT. There are different options. You can choose different networks, for example, USDT Tether TRC20. And on the right side, we need to choose the PayPal, guys. Find PayPal in the list, then choose the currency, for example, PayPal USD. And on the right side, you can see there are a list of the exchangers who are helping us with this transaction. They have got different number of reviews. We can filter them with the reviews, and I suggest you to use exchanger who has got more than 200 reviews. And also what is important, guys, all of these reviews are positive. If the number is in green, that means all of them are in positive, and if there will be slash and red numbers, for example, that means red numbers are the negative reviews, guys. So these exchangers have got different limits. For example, the first one has got most reviews, and minimum is 99 USDT. So we can choose the first one. So let's click the first exchanger, and before you will make the transaction, you can check some rules, guys. Here is the important thing. The operation is performed manually. Order will be completed within minimum 1 to 3 hours and maximum 24 hours to 48 hours, guys. So this is not instant exchange, guys. This will take some time, but in most cases they are very fast, guys. And also they have got the contact number right here. You can use your WhatsApp app and contact to them, guys. So according to reviews, this is very trustworthy website. So first of all, we need to choose the USDT on the top, which is TRC20 USDT. For example, we are sending 100 USDT, and for 100 USDT, we will receive 101.2 USD on our PayPal account, guys. Now we need to enter the PayPal email address right here. You need to enter your personal details, your name, your email address. This is very important. You need to enter your real email address and also enter your WhatsApp number right here. Then you need to click the exchange button, then click create order. So we are going to send 100 USDT to them, and we will receive 101.2 USD on our PayPal account. So let's click make a payment. Before you will send, you need to read some rules. Here is their USDT TRC20 wallet address. You need to copy it. Now you need to go to Bybit, go to your assets, go to your funding account where you have your USDT balance, and then click withdraw. Enter the wallet address we just copied from them. Enter the network, which is TRC20, and you can see there are some fees also on Bybit, 1.3 USDT. Enter the amount of USDT you're sending, for example, 100. You need to enter 101.3 because there are some fees, 1.3 USDT. So you're gonna send 101.3 according to this fees. Click the confirm button and finalize the transaction. So as they mentioned, 1 to 3 hours, most likely you will receive your money on your PayPal account, or maximum 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.